Have you tried the Rockefeller Poor Man Oysters? Baby, it's good. Let's make some oysters. Some Poor Man Rockefeller Oysters. Oh, and I didn't even see that this has 20 grams of protein. And we got 2 of them. Nothing too fancy, it just comes into a gold tinfoil can. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and drain that juice out. God dang, this thing hard to open. Look. These are nice sizes too. We're going to dump it into a bowl, a mixing bowl, and we're gonna save our tinfoil cans because we're gonna reuse these. Now go get you an onion and dice it up. I didn't use all of that onion. I only used half of it. Use however much you like. Now let's get to the fun part and start mixing. Okay, let's season this thing up. I got me some Old Bay, Cayenne pepper because I like it spicy, paprika because I was out of smoked paprika, ground mustard. Put those onions in that thing. I got me some minced garlic. And last but not least, my favorite, a few jalapenos. I like everything spicy. And let's just go ahead and mix this up. All right, now after you got your oysters mixed with all that good old seasoning and your vegetables and stuff that you like, we're gonna take those tinfoil cans and we're gonna reuse them. And we're gonna put this, put the oysters back in here into each can. I like doing it this way better, y'all, because that seasoning gets all over the oysters, not just on top of the oysters. I've seen some people, you know, just season it while it's still in the can, but I like to dump mine out and mix it into a bowl and then place it back into the tinfoil can. Get all those jalapenos and onions. Cause that's the best part, right? That's what gives it all the flavor. All right, so before I place these into the air fryer, I do like to top it off with a few toppings. I got some Louisiana hot sauce. Not too much, just a little bit. Let's do the Parmesan cheese first. Parmesan cheese. I didn't have shredded Parmesan cheese. I had the grated kind. So we're just gonna put a little bit of that on there. Top it off with that. Get our other one. I'm not gonna be a big bag tonight and add some shredded American cheese on here. And some crushed red pepper. Just for some color. And that parsley. And this is just for some color too. Make it look cute. So let's go ahead and put this thing in the air fryer. We're gonna put this in the air fryer for about 6 minutes on 400 degrees. We'll be back. Okay, it's ready to come out. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay. I wish I had some shredded mozzarella cheese or shredded Parmesan cheese, but that doesn't look too bad. Let's see what it tastes like. You can pair this with whatever kind of crackers that you like to eat with it. I chose to do saltine crackers, and Let's see how this came out. Oh, this is super hot. Let's see what it tastes like. I hope I don't burn my mouth. Get some oysters on there. This is so good. Y'all go make this. It's so good. I'm about to tie this up. All right. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.